7 people shot, 3 fatally at Westmoreland bar. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 7 people were shot, 3 fatally at a bar in Rowe, Westmoreland on Wednesday morning. The deceased men have been identified as shop owner Everol Rowe of Rowe, Kemar Simit, otherwise called Beanie, and Andrew McDonald, both of Gullibanks in Salvamore in the parish. Reports from the police are that all 7 victims were patrons at the Pixie Dust bar. While there, a white Toyota Axio motor car allegedly drove up and stopped. 2 men alighted from the motor vehicle armed with handguns and opened fire in the direction of the patrons who ran for cover. When the shooting subsided, Rowe was seen outside on the ground with a gunshot wound to the upper part of his body, while Simit was also found with gunshot wounds to the upper part of his body, while McDonald was also found with gunshot wounds to the head and upper part of his body, and McDonald was found inside the bar. A female victim later discovered that she received a gunshot wound to the left thigh and a graze to the right side. Another man was shot in the arm while another received a gunshot wound to his neck and abdomen. All 7 persons were transported to the Salvamore General Hospital, where McDonald and Simit were pronounced dead on arrival, and Rowe succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. Assistant Commissioner of Police ACP Clifford Chambers and Senior Police SSP Wayne Joseph visited the scene of the tragic shooting in Rowe, Westmoreland, where several individuals were shot, 3 fatally who succumbed to their injuries on Wednesday morning. The incident marks the 3rd mass shooting in the parish since the beginning of the year. Earlier, 5 individuals were wounded at a party in Barracks Road, Salvamore, followed by another incident where 4 people were shot and injured at a bar on Valentine's Day. Authorities are actively investigating the shooting. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.